Morning, students. Today we'll start chapter 3 of literature, The Wolf and the House Dog. There was once a wolf who got very little to eat because the dogs of the village were always wide awake and watchful. There was a wolf and who got very less to eat because the dogs of that village were very alert and they were wide awake all the time and they were very watchful. He was really nothing but skin and bones. What is the meaning of skin and bones? He was very thin. Skin and bones means very thin. And it made him very downhearted to think of it. And when he thought about that he was very weak, what happened? He was very upset and sad. One night, this wolf happened to fall in with a fine fat house dog. What is the meaning of this? One night, this wolf, the wolf which is there, it happened to fall in with. Fall in means meet. He met a fine fat house dog. The house dog is one who is kept in the house. So he met a fine fat house dog who had wandered a little too far from home, who had come a little far from his home. So the wolf would gladly have eaten him there, then and there, but the house dog looked strong enough to leave his marks should he try it. So the wolf had gladly would have eaten him, but when he saw, but the house dog looked very strong, and to leave his marks means fight back and hurt the opponent. Who was the opponent? The wolf was there and the dog. So the wolf was the opponent, and the dog was quite strong and he could leave his marks means fight back and hurt the opponent. So the wolf spoke very humbly to the dog. कैसे? What is humbly? बड़े प्यार से उसके साथ बोला, complimenting him on his fine appearance. What did he compliment? That you look very smart or whatever, you are very healthy. He complimented him. When you are wearing a smart dress, everybody says, oh, you are looking very smart. What a smart dress. This is a compliment. So he complimented him on his fine appearance. Then you can be as well fed as I am if you want to, replied the dog. What did he say? कि तुम्हें भी अच्छी तरह खाना मिल जाएगा जैसे मुझे, अगर तुम चाहो. Who told this? The dog replied, leave the woods, there you live miserably. जंगल छोड़ दो. Leave the what is the meaning of woods? The forest. कहते leave the woods and you will there you live miserably. तुम वहाँ पे unhappily, sorrowfully you are living there. वो जंगल को छोड़ दो. Why you have to fight hard for every bite you get? So कहते हैं कि तुम्हें बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है एक भी जो तुम बाइट मिलती है तुम्हारे को. You have to work hard, work a lot. Follow my example and you will get along beautifully. Follow my example means do it as I am doing and you will get along beautifully. What must I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? As the wolf. Whom did he ask? He asked the dog that what to do if I want to live like you. Hardly anything, answered the house dog. कुछ भी नहीं. Chase people who carry canes, bark at beggars, and fawn on the people of the house. What do you have to do? Chase people who carry canes. Canes means जो डंडी लेके चलते हैं उनके पीछे पड़ो. और bark at beggars, भिखारियों के ऊपर भौंको. And fawn on the people of the house. Fawn means praise them too much. Fawn on means praise somebody too much. And then chicken bones choice and what In return, you will get tidbits of every kind: chicken bones, choice bits of meat, sugar, cake, and much more besides, not to speak of kind words and caresses. So, did the dog tell him? That you chase people who carry canes, bark at beggars, and fawn on the people of the house. In return, you will get tidbits of every kind. Tidbits means small pieces of every kind: chicken bones, chicken की bones, choice bits of meat, मीट की जो चॉइस वाला मीट है उसकी छोटे छोटे टुकड़े, sugar, cake, and much more besides, not to speak of kind words and caresses. What is caresses? Pats, strokes, and hugs. Pat, थपथपाना जैसे कहते हैं, when we do good, everybody pats us. And strokes and hugs. Hugs means गले लगाना. The wolf had such a beautiful vision of his coming happiness that he almost wept. What is the meaning of this? उसके जो he had a vision that something good is going to happen in the future, and he is thinking, that he is eating meat, he has got a big bone, and he almost wept. When we are very much happy, we have tears in our eyes also. But just then he noticed that the hair on dog's neck was worn. So suddenly he noticed that the hair on the dog's, you can see in the pic that the where the collar is put to the dog, there the hair are not there. And what is that on your dog's neck was worn, and hair on the dog's neck was worn, and the skin was shaved. What did he see? That the hair on the neck was worn, dog's neck was worn, and skin was shaved. Shaved means the rubbed against or scratched. There was a mark on his neck. What is there on your neck? Who asked this? The wolf asked, what is there that on your neck? So, nothing at all, replied the dog. कुछ भी नहीं है. What nothing? Oh, just a trifle. What is a trifle? Not important. That is not important. That is just a simple thing. But please tell me, the wolf asked, what is there? Why there is a mark on your neck? Please tell me. So he was very excited. Perhaps you see the mark of the collar to which my chain is fastened. क्या दिख रहा है आपको? कॉलर का मार्क दिख रहा है जिसमें मेरी चेन बांधी जाती है. Fasten means tight. Fasten means tight. What a chain, cried the wolf. Don't you go wherever you please? कहते chain? What do you want to say? A chain? The wolf cried. Don't you go wherever you please? You are put on chains and you can't go wherever you please. So the dog said, not always. But what's the difference? Replied the dog. कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What is the difference when you are in chain or when you are not without chain? It doesn't make any difference. All the difference in the world. कहता है सारे बहुत difference हो जाता है. And I wouldn't take all the tender young lambs in the world at that price. कहता मैं इस price पे, when you are tied every time and there is a mark on your neck, I don't. The wolf said, no, I can't. I wouldn't take all the tender young lambs in the world at that price. कि उस कीमत पे मैं कोई भी मतलब कच्चे कच्चे जो होते हैं young lambs नहीं लूँगा. I won't have that. And away ran the wolf to the woods. What did the wolf do? It ran away to the woods. There is nothing worth so much as liberty. What did he say? कि कुछ भी नहीं है आज़ादी से ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. So this was the chapter, the wolf and the house dog.